Regular expressions. The extract operation allows you to find data matching a certain pattern which can then be extracted or changed. For example, you can change all instances of RD to road, or extract a house number from a column of addresses, or change a 4-digit zip code to a 5-digit zip code. Patterns are defined using a language known as regular expressions, commonly known as Regex. For example, dot matches any character, \d matches any digit, \w matches any word character, and brackets matches groupings of characters. Let's see how to use regular expressions in Quantemplate. Find and replace text. We have a column of street names, but some of them use the abbreviation RD for road. We want to do a simple find and replace on all instances of RD to road. First, we put in an extract stage and select the source column street. Next, we enter the pattern we want to match. In this case, we can just write the text RD. We want to overwrite the data in the source column, so we select the output column to be street, the same as the source. Now we select Advanced to replace the matched text and enter the replacement text road. If we run the pipeline, the text will be replaced. Now let's try something more advanced. Extract any numbers at the start of a string. We want to find the building number from a column of addresses and extract it to a new column. We can do this by writing a regex to identify any sequence of numbers at the start of an address. First, we enter the source column, address. Now we enter a regex pattern. \d identifies any digit. Plus indicates it can be any number of digits, and we use parentheses to make that a group. ++ indicates that the digits are followed by any number of characters, and the caret anchors the pattern to the start of a string. This regex expression comprises one group. Now we output to a new column called building number. We want to take the result of the regex pattern match and write it to the new column, so we write $1. $1 is known as a result pattern. It simply indicates that we want to write the result of the group identified by the regex to the new column. If we wanted to add some characters to the start of every building number, we just need to add them in before the $1. Let's take a look at result patterns. For example, to change the date 01 Jan 15 to 01 Jan 2015, we can write a regex expression which defines the day and month characters as one group, and the year characters as another group. Now enter the results pattern. $1 writes the first group. The digits 20 are added, and $2 writes the second group. The results take the first group of days and months, then adds the digits 20 to the start of the second group. This is just a fraction of what you can do with regular expressions. For more examples, full documentation and resources, see the Help Center.